Hello and welcome to our course on Google Sheets. I'm John Selkis. I run my company of C Solutions LLC. This course is designed for beginners or just those looking to expand their knowledge. We'll cover a lot in this course from start to finish. The assumption is that you have no background in anything involving Google Sheets or Excel, although any background or prior usage is definitely going to be beneficial. But the course will be under the assumption that you are new to the program and to the environment as a whole, including creating your own Google Drive account and get everything set up that way. A little bit of background about myself. So as I said, I run my company C Solutions LLC, is a consulting company in the field of data science. In addition to that, I also teach secondary school, probability and statistics. So this is something I use both with students as well as in my professional career. Some of the goals of this course: we'll start with creating a Google Drive account. If you already have one, that's great. You can skip ahead. We'll work through creating Google Sheets. We'll work things with data, entry, manipulation, formatting, some simple formulas. We'll also later on in the course build tables, visualizations, and learn some more advanced formulas as well to get the most out of each of our Google Sheets and workbooks and all. Looking forward to working through this course with you.